Right, take a look at this. What if you're able to take this old article and update it with fresh new links, all automatically on autopilot? So this is an article that was written like a year ago. What if you could just take it, copy the URL, and have AI skim through it and find the best place to add fresh links in? Now you can just copy this, go to tryjournalist.com. You don't even need to buy a subscription, right? Don't buy a subscription. There's no need. Just log in, go to down here to build links, right? All you do is select your integration. By the way, integration, just go here to integrations and connect your WordPress site. New integration, all this. Just add a name, add a URL, add the username and the application password. Pretty straightforward. Again, go to your build links tab right here. Select your integration, select the article. So it's going to be pulling in all the articles. This one right here, how to groom a golden retriever, and click analyze, right? This is the article that's currently being analyzed. And what we will do is we'll read through the article and give me places with anchor suggestions where I can add new links to. Let me just wait a second. I'll show you exactly how it looks like. Right, so here are all the suggestions it gave me. Right? As you can see here, if I skim through a couple of these ones, these are parts of the article, right? When choosing a brush, right, you can just I'll highlight this and select a link you want to add in here, right? For example, if I just copy this, right, and if I go here, there's no anchor, right? There's no link here, right? But the AI is suggesting me that I add one of these links to this anchor, right? And these are all relevant. So this talks about, the article as a whole is about grooming golden retrievers, and this section, right, is about brushing. And this anchor in specific is about choosing a brush. So it's recommending me articles about brushes, best brushes for golden retriever, right? I could just choose this one. I can even preview it if I want. Just go here, and do I find this article that's relevant? Do I think I should link out to these guys? Maybe I do, right? So just do this, right? Go down here, click apply links, and if I go here to my website again, let's just wait for this to load real quick. When I hit refresh, right, and I go to choosing a brush once again, right, there's a link here, right? So it updated content with new links, right? It's amazing. So again, you can take old pieces of content, right? This one, actually, this was just an example, but let's say it was an old piece of article. I'll just copy this, paste it in here, and let AI give me a couple of suggestions, right? It highlights the best, or what they think is the best anchor to include a link in, right? And they give you suggestions based not just on what the anchor is, but based, one, on the article as a whole, the context of the article as a whole, the context of the paragraph, the context of the sentence, and the context and relevancy of the anchor itself, right? Control shedding. It talks about links. We can link out to articles about shedding, right? So all this, none of this is random. All this makes perfect sense. And this is great if you're working with some client SEO. If you want to just revamp the blog, the old blog, right? Copy a couple of links. Actually, this is pasting here. Actually, just pasting in your site, right? It will give you all the links, all the pages you have on there. Do that, and then skim through these and find, okay, what's the best ones, and which links can I update? Should I be updating with more up-to-date, relevant sources? Or even if there's no sources there, we'll recommend the ones you should be adding. Super powerful tool. Again, you don't need to buy Journalist AI, right? This tool does content generation. By the way, this article right here was posted, the links, the images, the videos, all this was posted through Journalist AI, right? I can show you here. I just go to generate articles. You fill all this info in, right? You want videos in your articles, you want images, right? Whatever images you want Google images, stock photos, custom images, AI images. If you do choose AI images, you can select the prompts right here, make them look realistic, cartoonish. You can enable, disable featured images, in-article images. You can set up internal and external links, so quite straightforward. Just add your sitemap in here. Like so, for example, let's say it's my sitemap. I can test and preview. These are all the links, the internal links we can add to our blog. So when a blog post is written, it's going to have the featured image, right? Table of contents, all this info, right? There's going to be links scattered throughout, and these will link out internal links to my site's homepage, maybe to my contacts page, maybe even to my product pages, other blog posts pages, right? In this case, it will link out to all these pages right here. You can filter through, right, the sitemap to just link to certain pages. Same thing for external linking. You can just automate this by enabling this right here. And for example, if you generate an article about finance, right, we will link out to authoritative sources in your niche. For example, Investopedia, TechCrunch, maybe Bloomberg, right? You know all this by now. You can even connect this, enable all these sections. You can even connect this to the web so the content is updated. You can even connect to brand so the content is not just some generic AI-generated content. It's brand tailored with your own brand's mannerisms, brand's tone of voice. You can change the language, you can change the target country, creativity, tone of voice, point of view, all this stuff. And you can generate content based on descriptions, keywords, titles, or keyword research, which is, by the way, this pretty cool tool here that you just put in your URL, right? Give it a URL, give it the language, give it the target country will give you a bunch of keywords that are easy in theory to rank for, that have low search difficulty and some decent search volumes, right? So keywords you can target, just save this monitor, go to generate articles, select this and generate content based on, actually select the monitor first, right? And then generate content based on those keywords. I know I'm speaking too fast, but I just wanted to show you this real quick because the whole point of this video is just to show you the build links feature, which is super powerful. You can just, again, take old articles like this one, paste it in here, right? Like so. Now I won't do it again. And it will suggest and give you suggestions for places in which you can add links to, right? It will choose the anchors for you, and I'll give you a list of different sources you can link out to, and you can apply these changes or not. So super powerful. If you're doing client SEO, they're going to be quite happy if they see that old content is being updated with new links. And again, no need to buy a subscription. Just go to trialstraightlinks.com. It costs like a credit, which is super cheap to do this. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Full disclosure, I do own this tool. I felt like it's important that I tell you. I want to be full transparent. But yeah, give it a go. Try it out. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.